Can police search your truck during a traffic stop? The short answer is no. However, the issues of search and seizure, like many things in the law, are far more complicated than that question. The Fourth Amendment and the jurisprudence and case law that follows its drafting is some of the largest body of law in the United States. Thousands and thousands of decisions on these points. And it's important that you understand the warrant requirement the police must have in order to search your vehicle or your home unless there is an exception to the warrant requirement. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about those exceptions and how they may apply to your vehicle. Although the rule is that law enforcement must have a warrant in order to search your person, places, or things, there are specific exceptions that give law enforcement the ability to search without a warrant. Specifically, exceptions that deal with automobiles or your truck in this case. In 2009, the United States Supreme Court decided a very important case of Arizona versus Gant. And in that decision, the Supreme Court greatly limited what law enforcement could do to search your vehicle subsequent to an arrest. I'd like to read you an important aspect of that case decided by Justice Stevens. The Supreme Court held the police may search the passenger compartment of a vehicle incident to a recent occupant's arrest only if it is reasonable to believe the arrestee might access the vehicle at the time of the search, or that the vehicle contains evidence of the offense of arrest. Before you begin to celebrate the protections that the Supreme Court listed out about the search of your vehicle, keep in mind that there are other exigent circumstances and exceptions to the warrant requirement. First and foremost, consent. Law enforcement will very often ask you if they may look in your truck or search your vehicle. Your answer should always be a definitive no. If law enforcement is going to search your vehicle, they will not ask you, they will simply do it. Another important point is plain view exception. If law enforcement is able to see into your truck something that they believe is an illegal object or substance, then they are able to enter the vehicle to search and identify that illegal object. Don't keep things in plain sight. Another important rule is the exigency. If law enforcement believes that there is a urgent need to search a vehicle or search a home, they may do so in order to protect that evidence from destruction or protect the community, or a number of other reasons that allow for exigency or urgency to allow them to conduct that search. Finally, and unfortunately, there is the issue of searches incident to arrest for inventory purposes. Law enforcement is able to inventory search your vehicle to ensure your property is protected prior to impounding that vehicle. When law enforcement conducts an inventory search of your vehicle, if they identify illegal objects or illegal substances, then they may be seized and you may be charged with their possession. I hope this video on whether or not law enforcement can search your truck has been helpful. If you or a loved one has been subjected to what you believe is an unlawful search, or if you're facing criminal charges related to the search of your home or vehicle, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website for vast resources. We're here to help. We look forward to answering your questions in a free, confidential case evaluation. We are fierce advocates for families and fierce advocates for freedom. We look forward to helping you and getting you through this process.